Hey guys, it's Memorial Day weekend. My motor wouldn't crank. I want to go out. So I'm like, I went in there and got a house lamp. So I couldn't get it to fire for nothing. When your motor won't fire, so this is what I did to figure out what the problem is. So if you ever have a problem and your motor won't fire and you've tried everything, you just take your pair of pliers like this right here, and this tells you if your solenoid is bad. So that right there is telling me current is not passing through the solenoid. So my solenoid is bad. So if you're having that problem, just replace the solenoid. You should be fine to go.